welcome back to another video. My name is Erin. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today we're going to do a wash and go using Donna's recipe. Honestly, not even gonna hold y'all, I have been in my wash and go not even gonna hold y'all, I have been in my braid out, twist out era since I cut my hair. Didn't really like my last wash and go too much, but because I'm reviewing these products, and I think Miss Tab generally wears her hair, you know what, I actually don't know what she usually wears her hair in. I've assumed it's a wash and go, but I actually haven't looked to see what she does with her hair. But in any case, these products definitely sound like they are for a wash and go. So that's why I'm doing a wash and go with the products today, so that I can give like a true and honest review, you know, using the products as I think that they were intended to be used. Side note, bought these from Ulta. I will put the price on the screen because I don't remember how much I paid for them. But they come in, the Mousse is an 8.5 fluid ounce bottle, and the gel is 10 ounces, so you do get a lot of bang for your buck. And yeah, so I have the whipped vanilla cream curl defining mousse and the whipped vanilla cream curl enhancing gel. Generally when I do my wash and goes, I always do my cream or gel and then I follow up with my mousse, but these instructions actually say to use the mousse and then the gel. Smells nice. I do have her shampoo. I only have the shampoo, actually. I had the oil when she first came out with it. I love the shampoo, the creamy sweet potato pie, something like that shampoo. So flipping good. Very moisturizing, lathers really well, smells absolutely amazing. So yeah, love that product. And I actually used that today to wash my hair, and I already have a leave-in on. I am going to probably, you know, apply more water as I'm moving through the sections, because I like to do my wash and goes on like very wet hair. And yeah, so water, mousse, gel, that's the vibe. So let's get into this first section. I'm gonna give it a fair chance, probably by shingling it, because that's just how I know my best wash and goes like usually result, or my best wash and goes usually come when I shingle. So how much does it say? Apply a liberal amount. You know, it's interesting because it says towel dried hair. So low-key, let's not apply water. I'm not gonna apply water moving forward because it says towel dried hair. But yeah, so foam and then gel. It almost smells like medicine, like cough medicine. Like that's kind of the smell that I get from it. So I don't know how I feel about that, but this is just the first. I'm usually not a brush girl when it comes to my wash and goes, but I think I'm gonna get a brush to help us out. Okay, and then let's follow up with the gel. Let's see, how much does it say? Also, this gel does say that you can actually, see, but this says add water as needed. Interesting. So they may honestly intend for you to do like mousse, water, gel, because this product says add water as needed. All right. Honestly, I kind of like the way this is feeling. It's feeling like we're gonna have some good definition. Let's see. Okay. Not loving that. Yeah, it's definitely not clumping my curls as much as I would prefer. It's okay, but it's not clumping them. I'm gonna go ahead and shingle. hair section, I'm honestly quite disappointed. It's not like this is not my nah. Yeah. So the verdict is in. She uses this as a wash and go. Like for her wash and go. I just saw a TikTok or a reel of her just using the mousse, or yeah, the mousse for a wash and go. She definitely had a lot of product on her hand, but like I don't know. And her hair was like fluffy. But I definitely prefer more definition. So this wash and go is literally gonna be at Frizz City. I can't. No, ma'am. It's not gonna last me a day. I mean, it's gonna last me one day, and I cannot. I need it to last me like 2-3 days. So I think we're gonna pivot and do a twist out because I just cannot with like. I mean, I'm not gonna hold you though. My hair feels good. Like it does feel good. It's just not as defined, y'all, and I cannot. That's gonna be a horrible. Well, not horrible, but it's just not gonna be a long-lasting wash and go. Like it might last me like a day, and I need my hair to last me all week, honestly. So I just added more mousse, and I'm just gonna go in and just do a twist out because I really don't have time for this hairstyle to not come out cute. So we're gonna do a twist out. Yeah, that's gonna factor into my overall rating of these products. So I really like the results. I'm actually super duper happy with the results. Like my hair is super soft, like super soft, super fluffy. I feel like it has such a nice shine. That could also be due to the fact that I just dyed my hair black. I just freshly dyed my hair jet black, so that could kind of like play into the shine factor. But my hair really does look good. So overall review of these products, you guys. We'll start with the Whipped Vanilla Cream Curl Defining Mousse, since that's the first product I used. Honestly, I would give this, okay, I do kind of feel like this product can stand alone on a braid out without this product. I don't know for sure because I didn't try it, of course, but I do think this one can stand alone. Because sometimes I do just use a mousse on like braid outs, twist outs, stuff like that. But I would probably give this a product out of, should I give it a 10? Yeah, so out of 10, I would give it like, give it an 8, just because, yes, I really like the product. I really like my results. I liked how the twist out came out. But, you guys saw that I tried to do a wash and go. Like, the plan was to do a wash and go. My idea was to do a wash and go because I saw Tabitha did a wash and go on Donna, aka her afro. She did a wash and go on Donna using, I want to say using just the mousse. And so I was like, okay, boom, I'm going to use a wash and go. I mean, I'm going to use both products to do a wash and go. Y'all saw it was giving frizz, and I was like, nah, like, I need this to last all week. So, like, with the fact that, like, I thought I was going to be able to do a wash and go with these products and I wasn't able to do it, that's why I took off like 2 points, but still very good products overall. I don't really like the smell, but they do have good slip. My hair does feel moisturized. I mean, I put on a leave-in before these products, but still my hair feels moisturized. My hair is definitely defined, like super defined. I definitely know this hairstyle is going to last me all week. So I would say, yeah, 8 out of 10, maybe even 7.5, because I don't actually like the smell. Like, I was actually disappointed by the smell because, like, whipped vanilla cream, that can just smell so good. Like, it sounds like it smells so good, and it doesn't. This actually smells like, it kind of reminds me of, like, cough medicine. So, yeah, like, her signature sweet potato pie, like, shampoo, conditioner, y'all, smells amazing. Like, literally smells like dessert while I'm washing my hair. It smells so good. So I had high expectations for the smell of these products, and I was definitely let down. But going into the curl enhancing gel review, I would give this, I would give it like a 6. I would give it a 6 because, of course, we're taking off for the smell, because it smells the exact same as the other one. But I'm also taking off because I don't think it's a make or break product. I definitely don't think it's a make or break product. It actually, so yeah, it says to use it like in combination with this for medium. Well, it says soft to medium hold. Which, okay, yes, it is definitely a soft to medium hold. Like, it gives you a soft to medium hold, I guess. But honestly, y'all, I just feel like it gets a 6 because it just let me down. Like, I really expected a curl enhancing gel to, like, get my curls into shape, and it did not. I mean, it helped a little bit when I was doing the wash and go, but, like, even shingling, usually, y'all, I can make any wash and go product combination work just by shingling, and it didn't work. So, and I think we have to attribute it to the gel because the gel just was not a strong enough hold. So I'm gonna have to give this a 6 out of 10. Yeah, I honestly cannot recommend this gel. And it also says, the crazy part, y'all, it also says that it's also perfect for creating sleek buns and ponytails. But as far as this style goes, I do think it worked really, really well with the mousse to achieve this twist out. So I'm happy about that, and that's why it does have 6 points. But, like, I don't think, like, I wouldn't really recommend you to go out and buy this. You know, I would definitely recommend you to go buy this. It's a good mousse. I don't necessarily know that I would choose this mousse over any other mousse, though, to be honest. But I definitely don't recommend this gel because it's just not something you have to have. Yeah, I'm likely going to continue to use these products and keep them just because I do want to support Miss Tab. But don't recommend this necessarily. It's not necessary. This one I recommend, but, like, you could also choose another mousse and just be perfectly fine. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want me to review another product line, product collection, if you guys want me to review another product line, product collection, or anything like that, just let me know down below in the comments. I'm going to try to do more reviews more consistently just because, like, I like to try different products. I used to be a product junkie, and then I got out of that when I got locks, and now I might be about to get back into it just so that I can share with you guys, like, different products that would work for our hair. But yeah, I do think it works for type 4 hair. It's just not, like, the best thing ever, but it works. It's a solid combo, just not the best thing ever. You know, you can probably use other products and get the same results. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Erin and W.